you're browsing through the internet and you're not even seeing a single ad. If not, you're getting money for watching ad with the help of this switch. Anyways, and this is like 3 to 6 times faster than Chrome. Which browser? Brave browser. Remember when I told you you get money for watching ads? Yes, you do. You get basic attention token. In short, BAT. Now it is worth then you might be like, I like Chrome better, the look of the Chrome, and I like Google search engine. You're getting that. From making zero money watching ads to making lots and lots of money watching ads, we are just getting started, people. This is one of the most popular NFT games. That's why it's second. This game is paid to play. So basically you need to pay to start playing this game. The short form of the coin name of Axie Infinity is AXS. It is worth Now this is a game I would suggest for beginners. If you want to slice crypto coins, then this is the game for you. Anyways, this is how we play the game. Basically, you take a knife and you just like woof woof. Anyways, the coin you use in this game is SRT coin. This is how much it's worth. If you think you're smart as Albert Einstein, then this game is for you. This is a quiz game. There is so many topics, literally. There is games, there is science, and if you don't know any of this, there is Sunday Funday, and there is even general knowledge, and I'm pretty sure you'll at least get 1 million token. Oh yeah, that is the name of the token, million. Now this is my personal favorite game, Tekken Arena. I'm literally addicted to this game, you can say. It is so cool. You have so many powers, so many mods, so many characters. It's like amazing. And the coin we use here is the Tekken coin. You want more easier game than this? And this? And also you want to have fun? Okay, here comes Doge Dash. It's pretty much like this dinosaur game and there's no internet and there's Flappy Birds. It's so simple. I just love it. But it is paid to play and also it is really hard to play. It might look simple but it's really hard. That's the thing. And the coin we use here is to earn money by playing a battleground game? If yes, this game is for you. It's basically like Free Fire and PUBG, but you get Bitcoin. Yes, you heard it right, Bitcoin. The game's name is Night. It's a multiplayer game. Like you can literally shoot your friends in the game. there are so many mods, so many maps, like amazing. I just hope that this game comes in VR headset. Wow. And you know how much Bitcoin is worth, right? If you don't know, if you are in the topic of getting high demand cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, then you should have heard about Dogecoin. Yes, you heard that right. Once again, it's Dogecoin. This game is amazing. You might have heard about Pokemon Go. Basically, it's like this. It's pretty similar to that. It's this. You catch Pokemons in Pokemon Go, but in this, you catch Dodgemons. Yes, you do. And the coin you get while catching this is Dojo coin. But sometimes you also get Doge coin. That is pretty rare, but yeah. You might be like, why am I dressed like this now? I'm here to explain the concept of NFT, in full form, non-fungible token, the future. So basically, these are the things that we are going to be using in the metaverse. If you don't know what the metaverse is, go check this video out anywhere there. So basically, here's the sofa in the real world, and in the metaverse, it will be known as an NFT. So people will be drawing it and coding it, and they'll be uploading it to the metaverse so we can sit on it. So yeah. And nowadays NFTs are pictures like this and like this, and they are so cool. And now you might be like, that doesn't answer the question, why are you dressed like this? And my answer is, I'm dressed as an hacker NFT. You can go search it up in OpenSea. Yes, that is one of the places where you can search for NFTs. Photo NFTs. Basically, after you sell your NFT, you get Ethereum and so many other coins. You can choose what you want. Whoa! Finally back to normal. Anyways. The next game is Farmville. If you didn't know what it is basically a game where you are a farmer, where you sell food and you grow food and you build houses so it can help you store food. You get up and you earn more money. It's basically just like that. But by the same creators, we have another game known as Townstar, just like Farmville. I put this game in the first because this game was really popular before and most of you should know it. That's why it's first, so you will earn more money because you already have experience with farming. That's why Townstar is great. You get Townstar coins. Basically, it's epic. It's like a browser game, and yeah, it is worth. While you make money, my name is Raul, you're watching Raultherockstar, and I'm signing out.